Hi everyone, I'm Jonathan Joyce at RPS Group, and today I'm going to be talking to you about how RPS is helping NOAA advance their data management and cyber infrastructure. So I'm sure many people here are using NOAA data, but for those who are unfamiliar, need more background, NOAA produces large volumes of geospatial data, especially their satellite and forecast models. And they also have high velocity data such as radar and point observations. And a lot of this data is available right now in the cloud through the NOAA Big Data program. But unfortunately, the file formats and the technology, the aggregators, the servers, they're all kind of last generation. A lot of those things were developed prior to cloud even being a thing. And so there are, groups such as Pangeo, which offer solutions to that. And NOAA is starting to be interested in looking at, what will their next generation systems look like, and how are they going to deal with scalability and performance, and in general make the data easier for their customers to use. So for this project, RPS is working with the Integrated Ocean Observing System, which through their data management and cyber infrastructure is how they disseminate marine data. That is what we're going to be looking at. What standards and technologies should we adopt in order to better serve that data? We're going to develop a technical roadmap, basically advising NOAA on how they should modernize their systems. And we're also going to create cost estimates for doing all this in the cloud, because that's NOAA especially is very cost sensitive. All their data is public. They don't want to have a significant cost. So developing a cloud native solution is going to be of paramount importance as well. And so as far as specifics in what we're looking at, as I said, we're identifying the standards and technologies, and it's really about interacting with communities such as this. So getting ideas of what's out there, what are the standards, what are the best ways to access geospatial data. Specifically, we're looking at zarr to improve our backend performance with some of our existing mapping products, OceanSnap, which is a web-based model viewer. We also want to develop OGC web services to make it easier to access this data and also support kind of a microservices infrastructure. We're looking at STAC to help our data discovery and make it easy to manage catalogs for hundreds of very different types of data sets. We're looking at the data pipeline side. So as we bring in data and clean it, how do we do that so that it in a more streamlined way? And also, how do we store data to make it more available for analytics processing? So all of these tools and seeing these different talks with this community is kind of what's helping us drive toward a solution. So I'm happy to please reach out to me in email or in chat. I'd be happy to hear, if you're a user of NOAA data, what your needs, what you'd like to see from these data stores. And thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak today. Thank you.
Awesome. Thanks so much.